You write me, Booker at bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court.
I'm thinking if I should run her over, bro. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving, lady. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving. I'm driving, lady.
What's up? You already know what time it is. Anytime I'm standing up, I'm getting ready to teach you what you need to do when you're in certain situations and you can't get your hands on an attorney, okay? Or your ears, or your eyes, or your mouth on an attorney. Not in the bad way, but sometimes it's hard to catch up with us, okay? So you have to know how you need to act and how you need to react to certain situations, no matter what's going on, so that by the time you do get to an attorney's office, you have a plausible argument and a good case. Now, that Karen is nuts, okay? Let me tell you the things that the gentleman did correct. 1, kept driving, okay? That dumbass lady, she can throw herself down, flail around, do whatever she wants to do. But if somebody is telling you to leave their property, okay, and they're telling you that you are trespassing, keep going. Don't stop. Because it shows that you have no intent to trespass. You have no intent to be on their property. 2, record it. You never know how low an individual is willing to go. Y'all see this lady? She started tearing up his car and acting as if he was the person that was doing these things to her when we know darn well she was throwing herself on that man's car. Number 3, be auditory. And I say this because being auditory and talking has won cases. There have been times that I've had cases where people were beat by the police, where things were happening to them, such as this, where they needed to explain that they were either being hurt or that they were not hurting the other individual. The way to do that is to be auditory by speaking into the mic, speaking into the recording device. Have you all ever seen when police are taking someone down, whether or not that person is resisting, the police officer says, "Stop resisting, stop resisting." It's the same thing. You need to be auditory so that you can give a play-by-play scenario of what's going on. So what this gentleman said was, "I'm driving, lady. I'm driving, lady." What is he doing? He's letting her know that, "Ma'am, you said I'm in the wrong place and I'm trying to leave. You're trying to hold me here. So don't say you want me gone and then try to hold me here. I don't want to stay here. I need to get away from you. You're crazy." Be auditory. And 4, stay in your car or truck. Do not get out of your car or truck. This could have went very wrong had he gotten out of that car. But because he was in that car, that hollering ass lady looked crazy. Because he was being auditory, that hollering ass lady looked crazy. Because he kept driving, that hollering ass lady looked crazy. Because he was recording it, that hollering ass lady looked crazy. Give these Karens a dose of their own medicine. Show them how crazy they look. By continuing on, do not stop to engage with them. Now, he shouldn't have drove off fast. He should go slow just like he was doing. 2, record it. 3, be auditory. Narrate what's going on so that people know what they're looking at. Create that record. 4, stay inside of your car or your truck. So, until next time, it's Attorney Allie Booker assisting you all with these Karens, okay? Karen, please, okay? We are not going to have any of this mess out of you anymore. We're going to learn how to combat the Karen. Next case.
I think it's time I made that call. I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm. They got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.